Okay, we're talking about placenta smoothies. So I came across an article that says that healthy mums go for placenta smoothies. What? So the deal is you save your own placenta and you put it in the freezer, and every once in a while you make a smoothie with your placenta. One of the main reasons mums do this, supposedly, is to boost energy. Call me crazy, but I think a better way to do this is to eat foods that give you energy, such as whole food carbohydrates, banana smoothies instead of placenta smoothies. So this practice is not new at all. This has been around for a long time, but it's funny how things come back in vogue. Me personally, I know a few friends who have done this, and if the main reason is to boost energy, there's better ways of doing it. I think we often get in trouble as a society when we just think one particular portion of food or one superfood can fix us. If you're eating a whole range of foods that are health promoting, I think this is the best way to go. So plant-based, high carb, vegan for the win. So let me know, have you done this yourself? Have you had a placenta smoothie? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you again soon.